Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to lock the camera focus on the Infinix Note 30 NFC device. First, just open the camera application. Then to set the focus on the camera, you can point the camera at the object you want to focus on. After that, long press the camera screen at the point of the object until the lock statement appears. That way, the object is automatically locked and the camera will only focus on the object. Well, that's the tutorial for locking the camera focus on Infinix Note 30 NFC device. And just for your information, that this method you can also apply on Infinix Note 30 and Infinix Note 30 Pro device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.